In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now click on this plus at the bottom right one and set up an hour. If you wish to use this alarm only once, you can use this option here, called delete after alarm goes off. Enable it by clicking on gray switcher. If you don't want to use it once, tap on repeat and select the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, shift alarms, you can adjust each day however you want to, and a cycle. And when you're done making all of those changes, just go back or tap on customize and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Go back again, click on ringtone, select one of those like weather adaptive, which is weather alarm. Tap on got it and go back, or select ringtone, tap on all ringtones and hit apply next to the best one. Confirm your choice in the pop-up to set it up. To use any song from your tablet as your alarm one, click on choose rocker ringtone at the top, select one of those sound sources, click on your melody and go back again. Now you can click on label to name your alarm however you wish. And once you're done, save your new alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. You can switch it on the same way. To make any changes, click on the chosen one, make your changes, and use checkmark again. Last but not least, to get rid of any alarm or multiple, hold 1, click on all of those you wanna remove, and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!